Did you know your Mercedes-Benz includes several handy features that you can access from outside the vehicle? For example, if you have a powered tailgate and your vehicle key is in your pocket or bag, you can open the boot or tailgate even when your arms are full. As you approach the vehicle, it's a simple matter of a gentle kick under the center of the rear bumper. A sensor remotely releases the boot lid or tailgate. Another convenient feature is the ability to quickly and easily secure your vehicle. When your vehicle is turned off, press and hold the lock button on the key fob for about 3 seconds. Not only do all the doors lock, but any open windows and even the roof or sunroof will close. Alternatively, you can press and hold the small square on any door handle. Next time you head out in your Mercedes-Benz, enjoy the convenience your car has to offer.